Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Hi, this is the requested video. The question is from 2013, October, November, variant 7.1, question 1. The topic is about binomial distributions to Poisson approximations. Each component made in a factory contains 1,000 components. On average, 1 in 30,000 of these components is defective. So when we read until this part of the questions, we know that we are looking at a random variable, which is the number of defective components. And it follows binomial distributions because it has 1,000 independent trials, the 1,000 components here. Average 1 in 30,000 is telling you the constant probability. All right. So what is the suitable approximation here? It is a Poisson distribution. And the parameter of Poisson distribution is the mean. So from a binomial distribution, the mean is the MP. So we find out the mean is going to be 1 over 30, 1 over 30. And hence, we are going to use this to find the probability that a randomly chosen computer contains at least greater and equals to 140 component, the defective component. All right. So to find the probability of this, we are going to take 1 minus probability of x less than 1. And which is going to be x equals to 0. So we are going to use the formula for the Poisson distributions, e to the power of negative of the mean, and multiply with the mean to the power of 0 because x is equal to 0 divided by 0 factorial. Right? The formula can be found from the formula list MF19. And hence, we press calculator, we find out the probability to be 0.0328. All right. So this is the questions. In the beginning, we have to be able to recognize that this is a binomial distribution with the independent trial given and constant probability given. But using a suitable approximate distributions, we must be able to see that it is a Poisson distributions here, and we use it to find probability, and we finally get the answer. All right, that's all for this video. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.